Here we've got OPPO A73, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here just go to lock screen and wallpaper. And now if you would like to change wallpaper, just click on set wallpaper and pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be something from your own photos or one from the default wallpapers. So let me choose something from the wallpapers. Agree to all the statements, and now just pick the one that you would like to have. You can also download mode if you are connected to Wi-Fi, but here you've got them. Just come along with all possible options. And for example, if we would like to apply this one, just click on download and tap on apply. Click on OK and tap on set as, and decide if you would like to have it as your lock screen or home screen only. And I will pick home screen. And let's go back. And as you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering our home screen. And if you will take a look at the lock screen, it's still the same, so let me change it. Let's open the settings, and now we will change the lock screen. We have to open display and brightness, go to lock screen, and let me pick something from the default wallpapers, maybe this one, and let's click on set as lock screen wallpaper. And you can add it to your lock screen magazine and display, or set it as one and only, but I will click on add to lock screen magazine and display. And that's it. Now you've got the magazine unlocked, so this is the first one, and then they will be changed. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.